Dear students, till now in this lesson, we have studied different kinds of infectious disorders. They are caused by pathogens. So, not only pathogen disturb our health by causing different kinds of disorder. Continuous use of drugs and alcohol also put negative impact on health. So, it will also lead to disorders. So, different health issues may arise because of overuse of drug and alcohol. So, why we are studying drugs and alcohol abuse in this lesson? Because this is also one more cause for disorder. And survey and statistics shows that use of drugs and alcohol has been rise especially among youth. So they need proper guidance, education. So this will help them to safeguard their life against this dangerous behavior, so that they will get a little information regarding what are the side effects of drug and alcohol. So this is the main reason why this concept is introduced in this lesson. Yes, let us study regarding drugs. What is mean by drug? So drug is nothing but it is a substance. So when it introduced into the body, it causes some physiological effect. What is mean by physiological effect? So when you fallen ill, when you are not feeling well, doctor prescribe you some of the medicines like against bacterial infection they will give you antibiotics, against fungal infection fungicides. When there is no proper sleep they will prescribe sleeping pills. So all these are nothing but drugs. Medicines are nothing but drugs. So out of these medicines, some of the medicines when you started taking without medical prescription, they may causes side effect. Say for example, you started taking a sleeping pill regularly, you may get addicted to it. So you can't be able to overcome, you will not get proper sleep without taking a sleeping pill. So you will continuously started taking the sleeping pills to get proper sleep. That is nothing but your body will be get addicted to that medicine. So when you're feeling like when you are not getting sleep without taking the sleeping pills, that is nothing but you are completely get addicted to that particular drug. So without prescription if you take some of the medicines like that, they will imbalances most of the physiological function. So for time being you may get pleasure, but you can't run your life long time by taking those medicines continuously, because they are not good. Continuous regular taking of drugs is not good for health. It will put negative impact. It will almost disturb the physiological functions of our body. So I gave one example. That means a sleeping pill I gave as an example. Like this, number of drugs are abusing by the people. So I have listed some of the drugs here. So commonly abused drugs are nothing but opioids, then cannabinoids, then coca, alkaloids. So all these are the drugs. They are extracted from flowering plants. So most of the drugs what I have listed here, they are actually extracted from flowering plant. So source of these drugs are plants. Yes, let us study about opioids. Opioids are the drugs. So these drugs are very effective painkillers, and some of the opioids are sleep inducers. So because of the physiological function, they are used as a medicine to treat the patient, those who are undergone surgery and those who are having mental illness. So in such a case, the patient will be given with these drugs to treat them. So, whenever these drugs are introduced into the body, they will continue their physiological activity. Whether it is a painkiller, it will reduces the intensity of pain in the person. If the sleeping pills are given, so it will induces the sleep. So when they will carry out these functions, so for carrying these kinds of function, opioid should bind with specific receptors. So only when they bind with the receptor, they will continue their physiological activity, or else they will not perform any function in our system. Then what is mean by this receptors? So you understand here, receptors are the binding sites for opioids. So these receptors are present in the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. So that opioids attach with these receptors and it will carry out some of the physiological functions. Clear, right? So say for example, any person, if he has undergone surgery, he has given with lots of painkillers. So how it will perform function? So painkiller will bind with the receptors in the central nervous system and it won't perceive pain. So that even though the person will be having pain in the surgical region, he won't feel it because these opioids are not allowing the brain to feel that pain. This is how actually the opioids perform their function. So let us see the examples of opioid. So some of the examples are morphine and hydrocodone. So morphine is commonly called as sleeping pill. It is given during and after surgery to induce sleep. Then one more is hydrocodone. So hydrocodone is an effective painkiller. So it is prescribed by the doctor to the patient, those who have undergone dental surgery and those who are having severe toothache. In such a case, these drugs will be prescribed. So, what is the source of these drugs? As I told, morphine and hydrocodones are the type of opioids. From there, these drugs are extracted. So, these are actually extracted from plant. The source of these chemicals are plant. So, the name of plant is poppy plant. And you see the scientific name is Papaver somniferum. So, in this plant, latex is used for the extraction of drugs. What is mean by this latex? So you might have seen in some of the plants, if you remove leaf or twig, milky fluid will comes out. That is nothing but latex. So the poppy plant also consists of latex. So that is used actually for the extraction of opioids. So here you should remember the scientific name of the plant. So, whenever these drugs, opioids, are taken under the medical prescription, they are very useful. As we seen, they are painkillers, they are sleep inducers. So, because of their effective physiological function, they are used as a medicine. But anyone, any person, if they started taking these drugs without any medical prescription or overdosage of these medicines will lead to addiction. That means the person will become addict to it and he will face lots of side effects. So that better these medicines should be taken under medical prescription. But nowadays some people they are misusing these kinds of drugs for their physiological effect. So one of the commonly misusing drug belonging to opioid is heroin. So heroin is called as a smack. So this chemical is actually, this drug is actually produced by the acetylation of morphine. So for appearance, heroin is a whitish powder and it is not having any odor and it is a bitter crystalline compound. So these are the few characters of heroin. So this powdery substance can be taken by person in some of the ways. So some they will inhale it directly. The powdery mixture can be inhaled by a person and some they will directly inject the chemical into their body with the help of syringe. So this is how the heroin can be taken by the person. So when they are introduced into the body, they will induce some of the physiological effect. So you can see some of the physiological effect of heroin is it acts as a depressant and it slows down body function. That means once the person take this drug, he feel like lazy and it gives drowsiness and sleepiness. So because of these feelings, medicine drug can be misused. Clear? Some of the people they are actually not ready to take any trouble in their life. They are not ready to accept the failure. So such kind of people they will usually misuse these kinds of drug because of their physiological effect, because it they are giving some of the physiological effects like sleepiness and drowsiness. So that's what some of the people want in their life. Then one more chemical is cannabinoids. So cannabinoids are the drugs. They are extracted from one of the plant called as cannabis sativa plant. So in this plant, number of different parts are used for the extraction of chemical. Inflorescence, floral tape, leaves, and resins. These are the number of parts in the plant they are used for extraction of chemicals. So, by mixing the chemicals in different combinations, they will produce number of different kinds of cannabinoids like marijuana, ashish, charas, and ganja. So, these are the different kinds of cannabinoids. They are actually produced by mixing the chemicals in different combinations, because I told the chemical is extracted from different part. So, all these chemicals are mixed in different combinations to produce all these types of cannabinoids. So these cannabinoids are in powder form. So they are taken by the people in different way. So some they will take the powder by inhalation, so directly they will inhale the powder, and some they will take through oral ingestion, so directly they will put the powder into their mouth. So these are the two common ways of taking the powder. Then when they introduced into the body, they will specifically bind to some of the receptors in the brain. So those receptors are nothing but cannabinoid receptors. So this is very important. Cannabinoid receptors are specific receptors, they are present in the brain. So this chemical will go and bind with these receptors, and they will stimulate the most of the functions related to that particular part of the brain. So some of the physiological effects they are get stimulated by this drugs are nothing but appetite, pain, mood. So all these functions related to the brain, they are get stimulated by cannabinoids. So that one who are taking the cannabinoids, because of this physiological effect, he will started continuing this drug. So appetite is nothing but the person would feel like eating. Then pain will not be there in his in any part of the body. Then it will also control mood. So because of this physiological effect, cannabinoids are getting misused. So uh, usually we have seen in the last drug also, the continuous taking of drug, the person will become addict to it. So you can't run happy life by continuous taking of cannabinoids, because it will adversely cause a side effects. So continuous taking of drug will cause a side effect. So cardiovascular system will adversely get affected by the continuous taking of cannabinoids. So art related disorder may get arises because of the continuous taking of cannabinoids, or when they get addicted to it. Then one more drug is coca alkaloid or cocaine. So cocaine is usually extracted from one of the plant called as coca plant. So scientific name of this plant is Erythroxylum coca. So this plant is actually native to South America. So cocaine is one of the chemical. It is actually using in the manufacturing of chocolates. So black chocolates are made out of cocaine. Some amount of cocaine will be present in the chocolate. So these chemical will actually act on central nervous system. So one of the part is get stimulated with this chemical is central nervous system. So when central nervous system is get stimulated, it interferes with the normal transport of neurotransmitter called as dopamine. So dopamine is actually called as a neurotransmitter. So this neurotransmitter, they will quickly send any information from one neuron to another neuron. So because of more cocaine present in the body, it will increases the level of dopamine. Dopamine level is get increases. When more dopamine is there between the neuron, it will quickly send message from one neuron to another neuron, so that because of more taking of cocaine, the movement activity will be get increases. That means the person will become very active, he will become very energetic. So this is one of the physiological function that is get stimulated by cocaine. So because of this function, that means energy related function, this drug is misused by sports person. So only to enhance their energy in their in the sports, they've started misusing cocaine. But excess dosage of cocaine causes hallucination. So most of the side effects can be seen in the person when he is continuously started taking cocaine, because as we seen, continuous taking of drug is not good. He will become addict to it, and most of the side effects can be seen because of this drug. Some of the side effects are continuous side effects will cause us nausea, then euphoria, and the person will become very talkative and hallucination. So all these are the some side effects caused by this drug. Some of the other drugs like barbiturates, amphetamine, benzodiazepine, lysergic acid, diethylamide, that means LSD. So these are the few other drugs. They are normally used as a medicine to help the patient, those who are having mental illness like depression and insomnia. Insomnia is nothing but inability to sleep. Those who are not getting proper sleep, sleeping disorders are there. Those are actually treated with these kinds of drugs. But these drugs are often misusing by some of the people because of their physiological effect, because they induce a sleep, and they will bring calmness, and they will reduce a tension. So because of all these things, these medicines are misusing often by the people. Then one more this thing is fruits and seeds of some of the plants, they are also showing hallucinogenic property. So some examples are unripened mulberry, then poppy seeds. So these are commonly showing hallucinogenic property. So because of this, they have been used for hundred of years in the folk medicine. And not only, they are also used in some of the rituals all over the globe. But when we are taking these seeds and fruits in the uh, required amount, that means in the small amount, they will always help us to cure some of the mild illness. But when we started taking some of the drugs without any medical prescription, they will always cause side effects. That means they will impair one's physical, physiological, and psychological function. So it constitute drug abuse. So when we started abusing drugs like this, so we will get some of the side effect, we will suffer from some of the side effects.